Children, now let us start to study how aldehydes can be prepared. Now, aldehydes can be prepared, number one, from acyl chlorides. I told you from acyl chlorides. What do we do here? And remember, acyl chloride, we take the example of benzoyl chloride. We treat it with H2, palladium, supported over barium sulfate. We get here benzaldehyde. The second example of this reaction is, we take this time ethanoyl chloride. First here we took aromatic and now we are taking aliphatic. Ethanoyl chloride plus H2 in presence of palladium supported over barium sulfate catalysts gives you ethanol. These two reactions are very, very important reactions and they are known as Rosenmund reduction, in which the acid chlorides in both cases are reduced to aldehydes. Number two, I will tell you from nitriles and esters. What are nitriles? RCN, known as alkyl cyanides, are known as nitriles. On treating with them SnCl2 in presence of HCl, we get first here aldimine, that is imine, and then finally here we get the aldehyde. And this reaction is known as Stefan's reaction. The above reaction was Rosenmund. This is called Stefan reaction. Now, I must tell you that ketones cannot be prepared by this method. There is one more method. Alternatively, nitriles and esters can be reduced with mild reducing agent known as diol H. Known as diol H. The full name is diisobutyl aluminium hydride. What do we do here? We take here this alkyl cyanide, using diol H in presence of water, we get here aldehyde. Now let us take the example, and this example was asked in the CBSE. This is hex 4-ene 1 nitrile. Let us number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Becomes hex 4-ene 1 nitrile. Using the same diol H, we get here hex 4-enol. Similarly, esters can also be reduced to aldehydes by using diol H. This is ester. The name is ethyl undecanoate. Using diol H, we get here undecanyl. And now, coming to the preparation of aldehydes from hydrocarbons. Strong oxidizing agents such as acidified alkaline KOO4, acidified K2Cr2O7, concentrated HNO3, oxidize toluenes and its derivatives to benzoic acids. What do we do here? It is possible to stop the oxidation at aldehyde stage with suitable reagents that convert the methyl group to an intermediate that is difficult to oxidize further. The following is the method used. We use chromine chloride. What is chromine chloride? CrO2Cl2. We take here methyl benzene. This is your toluene or methyl benzene using CrO2Cl2 in presence of CO2. This is brown chromium complex. सबसे पहले बनता है brown chromium complex. And from this here we get benzaldehyde, and this reaction is known as Itard reaction. Itard reaction. I have told you three reactions, very important. I repeat: Rosenmund reduction, Stefan reaction, and Itard reaction. Now coming to the side chain chlorination of side chain chlorination followed by hydrolysis. We take here toluene, Cl2, HBU. This is CHCl2. The name is benzyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride with water. This gives you benzaldehyde. This is all about the methods of preparation from aldehydes. Remember one thing, that here you must remember the three very important new reactions. Number one, Rosenberg reduction. Number two, Stephen reaction. And number three, the Itard reaction. The last one is by Waterman-Koch reaction. What is Waterman-Koch reaction? I will just explain to you what is Waterman-Koch reaction. We take here the benzene. This is benzene. We treat this with carbon monoxide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AnHYD, anhydrous AlCl3 or CuCl, HCl, and this is here. We get here benzaldehyde. This is known as Waterman-Koch reaction.